Riri gukoretwo na mugayukano wa atongoria na mithingi ya icigo guku bururi-ini ri ni moritio kunyitanira hari maundu megie uthii wa na mbere. Neritana reikitio ni arutwo matongoretio ni uria urari mutongoria wa arutwo thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Nyeri National Polytechnic Stanley Onyango hindi ya mambura maundu iria thukuru-ini uyu akiuga atongoria matibatie kuonania rumena rwao kuona arutwo thiini wa mathukuru ma gitaru giki marutaga wira hamwe.
When people are united, developments come. And when developments come, we get to generate income. So I would like to urge each and every person outside there, it is good to emulate unity as the one that we have here. This is a very big event that it has combined so many students from Meru, from Michuki. That is Mount Kenya East and Mount Kenya West. Our leaders out there, we are urging you that please embrace this.
Ruto aria angi makiuga kirima gibati guthikiriria wendi na uge wa muingi handu ha kugayukana undu uria uratumire munini wa president Muhagwire Rigathi Gachagua gwikora giterenge-ini bunge-ini ciari cia bururi na ihinda-ini riri arageria guthara muoyo wake wa kiuteti igoti-ini.
Atongoria itu no tumoririe moke kuria ithuĩ turi niguo mahote kuigua uria ithuĩ turenda na uria ithuĩ turenda matwikire no anyita ithuĩ ta andu a Mount Kenya ri nona ni turarutirwo ta riu Gachagua areheririo ho riu ni tura expect maundu maingi kuri atongoria aria turekira ho muno gitaru giki kia mwena wa murima kama sisi sasa students tuko huku.
It's also good because it will bring some unity and we don't want that drift between the west and the east. So I think it will help us to be as one and share ideas. Yeah.
Itanya rigongona riri riria riri ikireka ria keri kuma riambiririo ni kuonania kothi taranda na iheo mwanya kuma kuri arutwo thiini wa mathukuru ma kothi cia moko kuma gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West.
Kuna ile like kuna East West wana hold zao, alafu wakishapata winners wa hizo East West kuna hold wengine sasa yenye na combine tunatafuta sasa main wa hizo
mbele kuendeleza talanta zao na pia kujuana. Place hao vijana wanapatana wote pamoja, interaction ina happen. Tunasukumana, tunashare what we learn from the shule yenye umetoka na shule yenye mimi niko.
Geri for Nyoro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, Jeta Theuri wa Bogo.